Hi children, good morning. Today we are starting with page number 26 and we are on the chapter 8 is, am, are. Is means hai, am means who, are means hai. He is a boy, I am a girl, they are boys. Now, is, am and are verbs. They denote a state of being. They also give us information about someone or something. यहाँ पर is, am और are verbs हैं जहाँ पर ये state of being है और ये हमें information देते हैं किसी person के बारे में या किसी चीज़ के बारे में. Read these sentences. अमित इज अ फायर फाइटर. अमित एक फायर फाइटर है. आई एम 8 years ओल्ड. मैं 8 years ओल्ड हूँ. देयर आर ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स इन द गार्डन. गार्डन में ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स हैं. इज, एम एंड आर एस मेन वर्ब्स. लेट्स लर्न मोर अबाउट इज, एम एंड आर. वी यूज इज विद अ सिंगुलर नाउन और प्रोनाउन. इज विद अ नाउन, is with a pronoun. Now see, Rishi is a dancer. He is a dancer. Reema is a doctor. She is a doctor. We use am with I. I am a pilot. I am early today. We use are with the plural noun or pronoun. We always use are with you whether you is used as a singular pronoun or a plural pronoun. Now see, जब हम are को noun के साथ यूज़ करते हैं और जब हम are को pronoun के साथ यूज़ करते हैं. Now understand the sentence. Brett and I are neighbors. जब हम pronoun का यूज़ करेंगे we are neighbors. Both Anita and Sue are smart. You both are smart. Kusum and Prachi are sisters. They are sisters. Now, is, am and are as helping verbs. We also use is, am and are as helping verbs. They help the action words in the ing form. She is laughing at the joke. I am playing chess with my friend. The children are going to the park now. हमको पता है कि हम he, she, it के साथ is का यूज़ करते हैं, am का यूज़ I के साथ और we, you, they के साथ are का. Okay, these sentences talk about action happening at the time of speaking. Note that each sentence here has two verbs, a helping verb and a main verb. किसी भी sentence में जब हम किसी action की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर दो verb होती है, एक helping verb और एक main verb. एक main verb जो main verb है और दूसरी हेल्पिंग वर्ब. नाउ सी, इस सेंटेंस में देखेंगे शी इज लाफिंग एट द जोक. तो लाफिंग दैट इज मेन वर्ब, जोक हेल्पिंग वर्ब. आई एम प्लेइंग चेस. प्लेइंग मेन वर्ब, चेस हेल्पिंग वर्ब. चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग टू द पार्क नाउ. गोइंग मेन वर्ब एंड हेल्पिंग वर्ब पार्क. सो दिस इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. Fill in the blanks with is, am and are. One has been done for you. हमको ये समझना है कि जब सिंगुलर वर्ड है तो उसके साथ हमको is लगाना है, I के साथ am लगाना है, प्लूरल के साथ are लगाना है. हमको ये चीज़ हमेशा याद रखनी है. This pear is juicy. I am a scientist. Rajat and Surbhi are classmates. He is a chef in the restaurant. You are not punctual. Latika is sincere and hardworking. I am hungry. These students are well behaved. We'll go ahead. Underline the verbs in these sentences. One has been done for you. Rachit is training for men's national boxing championship. Is training. She is searching for her new dress. अब हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, am is are के साथ में जो भी verb लगा है उसके साथ हमको अंडरलाइन करना है. So she is searching. I am watching a TV show on chimpanzees. It is raining heavily since morning. So I am watching. It is raining. Okay. We are collecting money for a charity. The train to Patna is running late by 2 hours. I am working on my English project now. My brother is going to join a theatre group this summer. Okay. Now we are on exercise C. Circle the incorrect verbs and then rewrite each sentence. अब हमें फिर से वही ध्यान रखना है, सिंगुलर के साथ में इज, आई के साथ में एम, प्लूरल के साथ में आर. द डॉग आर चेसिंग द कैट ऑल ओवर द हाउस. द डॉग इज चेसिंग इज द करेक्ट सेंटेंस. द चिल्ड्रन इज हेल्पिंग मदर वॉश द कार. द चिल्ड्रन आर हेल्पिंग मदर वॉश द कार. I are the monitor for the next term. I am the monitor for the next term. Arun am going to sing in the school choir next week. Arun is going to sing in the school choir next week. I is taking dance classes these days. I am taking dance classes these days. There are a jogging track in that park. There is a jogging track in that park. My uncle and aunt is traveling to Dubai next month. My uncle and aunt are traveling to Dubai next month. This year's Christmas decoration is better than the previous year. This year's Christmas decoration are better than the previous years. यहाँ पे हमने आर क्यों लगाया, यहाँ पे years पिछले साल की बात हो रही है. Okay, so what you have to do children in your notebook, you have to write this page number 26, then page number 27 exercise A and B, and then page number 28 exercise C. Till here you have to complete your work in textbook as well as in notebook. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day children, take care.